Yes, digital product family. Hope you guys are well. Guys, I'm going to show you how to create a listing, a digital product listing that actually guarantees sales. And what it is, it's a very, very particular strategy and skill. And stay right to the end because I'm going to give you this amazing, big, chunky chicken, no, not chicken, golden nugget for you today, for you to implement as soon as this video is over. So we'll just bear with me. Bear with me. But if you love digital products, you love creating, researching, listing, and all of that mad stuff, then please hit a like, subscribe, smash that notification bell so you can get more of my videos in your feed. And don't forget to share because we're just sharers out here. And guys, just tell me, what is your favorite niche? Drop it in the comment below and hopefully I can do a video on it. Tell me, what is your favorite niche? And let me just analyze that. I love that analysis, science-based, never, always facts, never guesswork. Look at this. Truck PNG, right? I want to show you something because I love this. Smart. Very smart. Now, as usual, guys, I'm on EVERBEE, my go-to research tool. Check it out, man. Check out research tool, free access on EVERBEE. Link is in the description. Check it out because it will find you the gems for you. And here's a big gem. I'm going to explain to you why and how this is so good and what makes it amazing, right? There's a skill to this. There is a skill. Look at it. It might not look like much, but this is artistic. This is art right there because it's touching on amazing things. And this is what you need to think about, right? When you're designing, you need to think about this. What do you have here? You got a blue truck. It's got gnomes on it. It's got pumpkins. It's got leaves. And you're thinking, what? Nothing special. It's only got 2 images. It hasn't even got a video. Like, it's got 2 images, right? Showing you what you would get. But yet, this image is being seen in many different places on the Etsy algorithm out there, on those listings, those ranking, those keywords. It's getting seen. It's smart. It's getting seen out there. It's getting pushed into different areas, different zones. Now look, how much does this one PNG make? Let's just quickly analyze it, right? First of all, before we get into it, it's making around about $700 per month, right? Now it is on a sale right now, so you got to take it into account. It's not the youngest, not the most recent listing. It's been around for 18 months, making 102 monthly sales approximately, yeah? Not too bad. Look at its conversion, 12.66. That is a beast, right? But you got to delve into this. Now, if you got 50 of these kind of listings, 50, imagine how much you're going to make, right? It's crazy. But the thing is, you can if you get the ingredients right, and it's about ingredients. This listing has ingredients. Let me tell you what the ingredients are, right? Let's delve in. This is why EVERBEE is so good, because it gets you to look at those listing tags that we can get. Check it out, mate. Look at these ingredients. Look at this. The skill about this listing is it's touching on many different keywords that people would be searching for. And remember, it's not always about those massive keywords, because sometimes listings get lost when it's too much competition and it's just oversaturated everywhere. It gets lost. However, if you're able to hit on keywords, many different keywords that gives you a little bit of visibility here, there, and everywhere, altogether that volume does count for a lot. So what I'm saying is, when you do your listings, you want to go for different types of listings. You want to go for listings that have low volume, right? But where you're able to rank in with low competition. Even if it's low volume, but it's low competition, it's still good because it's going to give you a good chance of getting seen and also building up. Because look, if you're on the first page of a listing, of a keyword, if you're on the first page of a keyword, even though it's a low volume keyword, then you're going to get sales. It's simple as that, guys. It's science-based. Anyway, let's look at this. So with EVERBEE, it gives you keyword scores, right? That means, you know, how good that keyword is. Obviously, 0 being the lowest, and then obviously it goes up. Now, although 10 is not one of the highest, it's not really that high. But still, it gives some kind of visibility, right? Some kind of visibility. So for example, pumpkin PNG, which is actually one of the keywords on the title. So pumpkin PNG. Actually, don't forget, when you have a keyword, you try to get it in the title, the product description, and the listing tags, right? That way it can help push it up. Etsy can push it up. So you can see on the title, I'll just show you very quickly. You got pumpkin. Where's pumpkin? Pumpkin PNG, right? And it's reflected in the design. So it has the pumpkins also. Don't be saying like a word and not have it in the design. That doesn't make sense. Have what you see. Sunflower gnome PNG. Look, sunflower gnome PNG. You got sunflowers gnome PNG, right? It's about showing. Etsy knows, right? So coming back to these listing tags, right? The key about this is getting a little bit of volume from each one. Full PNG, pumpkin PNG, full pumpkin PNG, gnomes PNG. Look, it's getting you 20. Full clip art 20. Full vibes 20. Hello full 20. Leopard gnome, right? You might be thinking leopard gnome. People are typing in leopard gnome. Like, why would they do that? Western gnomes PNG 30. Full gnomes PNG 30. Full gnomes truck 20. Where are these little keywords? Where are they? Right? Check it. Look at that leopard print. The gnome has got a leopard print there. Look. And remember, gnome truck, which is a truck here, PNG. People actually search for that. So you'd be surprised what people actually search for. And so gnome truck, was it gnome truck? Gnome truck PNG. So what this seller's done is they've looked at keyword scores, right? So this is actually not bad. It's 40. Gee, I found a new one. No, I'm joking. 40, 117 people type in gnome truck PNG on the Etsy search bar. Imagine 170 people in 30 days are typing it up. They look for that. And there's a competition of 3,029. That's a decent score. Now, that's what you do. You do your keyword research. So imagine you want to do sort of a gnome design. Then think about what other things can I combine with it. Okay, I can do a gnome with a truck. I can do a gnome with a pumpkin. I can do a gnome. And obviously, especially if it's coming to that time of year like autumn or fall, then that would definitely sell even better, right? Think about Christmas. Gnome with Christmas. What are you going to add to it? It might be gnome and you got a snowman in the background. Gnome with snow. Gnome. This is what you do. And then you come to EVERBEE anyway. And you look at further words. Look. So you got gnome PNG Christmas, right? Gnome Christmas gnome PNG. So you know that there is some search for that, right? Because you want to verify and validate if there is a search for that. And look at this. The gnome PNG bundle. If you got a bundle of gnomes, 292 people search for a bundle of gnomes. And there's a competition of 4,417. That's actually very good. It's got a keyword score of 70. So on top of that, if you manage to do a bundle of these, you probably get even more visibility. Guys, this is the art. This is the art of design. Like I said, and this is what I'm trying to say. This is the skill of what the listings, this is what people do. This is like, imagine one design. Now, I know it's on a sale right now, but imagine like once it's off the sale, that's like $700 per month for one listing. Like you got 10 of these. I mean, look at what do you want? What else do you want? You know? But it's about getting those ingredients. Look at it. It has all the ingredients. It's got pumpkin PNG. It's got sunflower gnome PNG. It's got the Western leopard print style. It's got the sunflowers. It's got the truck, the blue truck with the gnomes. It's got them. It's got so many different bits to it. And it's got them on the title. And it's got them in the product description. And it's got them in the listing tags. And that's how you get those sales, guys. You got to combine and get the timing right. And on top of that, these will probably sell massively well as fall and autumn comes. I'm sure it does. So this is what I'm saying. Get those ingredients right and you will get the sales. Get those ingredients right and you will get the sales. It's science-based always, guys. Check out EVERBEE free access. And don't forget, check out my videos. If you got a comment, tell me what you think. What niche are you on? Tell me about the ingredients. Do you have your ingredients, guys? I shall see you on the next video. Take care.